We definitely are working at we want to allow for a collaboration across the team and contribution. I will say in the beginning, I think we really tried to kind of like consensus design, and that didn't work so well, to be honest. But I think once you reach a space where with Joël and I are both working on the design system, we are passionate about getting feedback from the broader group. So we have a Slack Beam design system that's open that anybody can pose any questions, and we're constantly meeting with groups to collect feedback. I meet with some designers every Wednesday where Joël and I will showcase what we're working on. And even recently we have designers, great designers. David, he took on, hey, I'm really interested in doing tooltips. And so he went in and he did the whole process just like we did. He did the research, he gave us samples, he held meetings with Beam, us the designers as stakeholders, and we were able to review his thinking and where he was going with the component. And now that component has been published and is live for the whole team to use. So, we encourage it because, I mean, as you saw with the work that Joël is doing on forms, I mean, there's so much work. You cannot, two people cannot build a design system this large. It's one thing to build a component library for an application. It's just another beast to do it for, we have a suite of 30 to 40 applications that we're trying to design for. There's just a lot to consider. We're really trying to say, hey, can we make something like Carbon or Polaris, and be really working at that level.
And it's a way to share the way we do things. It's a way to share the way we work in Figma. I mean, it will be the same with Sketch, but that way we kind of communicate the tips and the little trick, and everybody kind of learn from each other. And we are basically using the same methodology. So there's a lot of benefit. On the top of it, I don't think when you look at Carbon or all this kind of great company, they have a huge team. We are not. So, leveraging any kind of effort and, people being motivated can help. It's better that way.